Is. It is used with he, she, it, name. Is this your bag? Yes, it is. Is he at home? No, he isn't. Is the pizza delicious? Yes, it is. It's so cheesy and tasty. Is it too hot outside? No, it isn't. It's quite pleasant today. Is exercise important for health? Yes, it is. It keeps you fit and active. Is social media addictive? Yes, it is. I can't stop scrolling. Is online shopping better than offline? No, it isn't. I like trying things before buying. Is 8 hours of sleep necessary? Yes, it is. It keeps you healthy. Is there life on other planets? Maybe. The universe is huge. Is self discipline the key to success? Yes, it is. Without it, success is hard. Is fast food good for health? No, it isn't. It's full of oil and calories. Am. It is used only with I. Am I saying this word right? Yes, you are. It sounds perfect. Am I the only one staying late? No, you aren't. A few others are here too. Am I late for the meeting? Yes, you are. The meeting started 10 minutes ago. Am I allowed to use my phone here? No, you aren't. It's a no phone zone. Am I allowed to change my order? Yes, you are, but only before payment. Am I explaining this clearly? No, you aren't. I'm still confused. Am I taking too long? Yes, we need to leave now. Am I missing an important detail? Yes, you are. You forgot to sign the document. Am I too late to order? No, you aren't. We are still open. Am I supposed to bring cash? No, you aren't. They accept cards too. Am I allowed to ask questions? Yes, you are. Feel free to ask anything. Are it is used with you, we, they. Are you feeling okay? Not really. I didn't sleep well. Are you coming with us? No, I'm not. I have work to do. Are you free this weekend? Yes, I am. What's the plan? Are you wearing new shoes? Yes, I am. Do you like them? Are you scared of dogs? No, I'm not. I love dogs. Are you feeling cold? Yes, I am. It's freezing outside. Are you still at the office? Yes, I am. I have some work left. Are you carrying cash? No, I'm not. I should withdraw some. Are they coming to the party? Yes, they are. Was. It is used with I, he, she, it, name. Was the train on time? No, it wasn't. It was 15 minutes late. Was your phone on silent? Yes, it was. That's why I missed your call. Was the presentation interesting? Yes, it was. I learned a lot. Was your dress expensive? No, it wasn't. I got it on sale. Was the restaurant crowded? Yes, it was. We had to wait for a table. Were. It is used with you, we, they. Were you at the mall yesterday? Yes, I was. I went shopping. Were you late for work? No, I wasn't. I left early to avoid traffic. Were the tickets expensive? No, they weren't. I got a discount. Were the lights off? Yes, they were. There was a power cut. Were you alone at home? Yes, I was.